All right, people, I got a great plan for MS. MS, in my opinion, is set up to test 48 to 49. The July 21, 46 calls could be used. Now, I want to make a point here. Once this confirms, this should not go below 44 and a half. Other than that, everything should be nice and fine and dandy. All right, now, the next case, of course, is the stock needs to confirm. So, okay, and I'm going to explain some key facts only in the video. All right, so right now, MS needs to break above 45.50 on some good action volume. And good action volume is about 600K on a 10-minute chart. Now, I will explain the key facts inside the video only, right? That's why you want to listen to the video in entirety, people. Okay, it's not in the boxes. The boxes contain key numbers, key points to remember. Now, if we don't get that volume, then we'll look for basing above 45.50 and look for power towards 45.80 to even 45.90 to even 46. The key is that's are going to be peak key pivot points. So if we get the power of 45.50, we can enter then. If not, we'll look for basing above 45.50, look for power towards 45.80 to 45 to 46. The key is the power and the pressure towards those key pivot points. So you got 45.50, 45.80, and 46. Those are going to be the entry points. Now, these options, I can tell you, we go to 48 with these 46 calls, we're going to do about 200% gains. And this is something we can hold because these options have time, a lot of time, plenty of time, and they're close into the money. Buying in that 45.50 will be great. Now let's take a look at some facts here, people. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Morgan Stanley closed, the MS closed 44.91, down 59 cents. No big deal, great setup here. One second. All right, so now I have the July 21 options up here for June to 21st. Here are the July 21 calls up here, and we're going to go take a look at the 46 calls. Now you can see today, and I've seen this myself anyhow. So the interesting things is the 46 calls are the sweet spot. I mean, 45 calls could be used as well. Okay, you can see there's some good open interest here. And there was good trading in the 46 calls today. Even though this was going down, there's interest in buying the calls on the 46 calls. Okay, that's the interesting point in this. Okay, you can even see the 49 calls, but this is probably people. Anyways, let's not talk about this point here. But what's the interesting point is a sweet spot point, a sweet pivotal point here to use are these 46 calls, and you can see that they cost about 81 cents. Now, on confirmation, it could cost about $1 depending when it confirms. But we have this in the video filming this as key pivotal points of what the options cost. For example, we were in BA, the 195 calls, and the 200 calls at one point costed less than $1, and they hit 4 points, so they over 4 points, so they made strong gains. And my video plans show all that. I'm going to show you a video, see the BA plan, J&J plan on my YouTube channel. All right, people. So here we are on Power Target Trades, my YouTube channel. I make a lot of great plans, people, a lot of great winning trades. J&J, something that was used with just 2-week out options, 400% gains in about 2 weeks. This is a great plan to see. I'm gonna, you should check it out in the created playlist. See Witness the Power. Check out this plan. Do the research yourself. Check out the GS plan. Check out my playlist when you have the time. You can live on my channel. A lot of great information. Once you start understanding the style, and you can see what I always talk about, confirmation is key. Study the videos, visit daily. Listen, people, it's all about confirmation, right? You don't want to assume anything. Confirmation keeps us in the winning trades and avoids the false trades. Okay. Some things are set up, but they just fail to confirm. There's a reason for it. But then when they confirm, they do very well. Like lately, AMD confirmed very well, made great plans. So BA was a confirmation, making great gains. D&D didn't confirm, right? When stuff doesn't confirm, we avoid it, right? So again, you want to follow me on all formats: Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits or on Twitter. And over here, you can see my website. I have a lot of great videos, people, for you to see my style in action. Very well documented videos, very educational. No one's doing this stuff, people. No one's doing this. Now, as for MS, I really like it, but it doesn't matter. I keep telling this to people. Confirmation is key. Confirmation is key, but it looks really solid in my opinion. And we're at the early stages of it. So it's preparation and ready to take action is the key. And unless I need to make an update, I will on MS. But if not, we avoid it unless the stock can confirm. All right. See the center power trigger trade? It's going to appear here at the end of the video in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. People, I make a lot of great plans. This is a great site to subscribe to. Take advantage of what I'm doing as you can for now. I'm going to be doing some great things in the future as we hit over 1K subscribers. So subscribe, support the channel. Power Trigger Trade is Power Target Trades is a powerful site. If people only knew the power of what I'm doing over here, the growth will grow exponentially. But it is for the educated people who really want to understand. That's the things. Sometimes people, there's things seem to be too good to be true. Well, that's why I tell people, if you study what I'm talking about, see for yourself, you'll see for yourself. I got nothing to hide over here. When I say greater than 80% win rate, that's based on confirmation. Just because I post a trade doesn't mean it's an automatic buy. It doesn't work that way. Nothing's for nothing in this world. There is something to look for. But when we do confirm, most of the times we're batting huge wins within a very small selection of picks, people. Okay, I've been batting over 80% winners within a small selection of picks of less than 5 to 7 stocks per week. And in the ones that confirm, over 80% of the trades make great gains, and some don't. They make some small gains, like a scratch out or a small loss. But the ones that do confirm, that make huge gains, they make up for the ones that don't do so well, which is a very small amount. This is why greater than 80% are winners. Anyway, see the center power trigger trade is going to appear in a circle format. Simply click on it. Thanks for listening. Like the video.